for every young person looking for a hero, and I suppose that's all of you sitting here, and I hope at least some of you find your hero in Nimbusa.
Absolutely. So we shall end now because I'm being prompted repeatedly. Any last? Okay, one last question we can
Just
take.
one quick question. What was the most difficult part in that book which you have written? You face that, we will be able to do justice, so we need to spend more time on that.
Nimbu Saab, I can tell you, for me, there are two chapters that I think the chapters tell themselves. One is Men Don't Cry, and another is The Grief. Both very difficult chapters to write for us, especially because we are Kargil War Martyrs' daughters, and we know how it
And
feels.
siblings, and it is from the point of view of Atule, who's a sibling. And there's a point in time when he says that he actually never reconciled with his brother. If you read the book, you'll know. And that was very hard. Like whenever
We were in an interview, we were interviewing him, and the moment he made us feel that he had regret, I think that was the moment, like a climax moment for us during our research, because I was like, this is the reason why we're writing the book. For you to tell his story, to say your sorries, whatever that may be. That is why, and that is the effort that we put in for Atuli actually, to tell his side of the story to Nibu wherever he is. I hope that answers your question.
Any last question? Absolutely. So I think when you talk about regret, I also remember how your father left in the middle of the night. It was 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. You were little children. You just said a kind of a rudimentary bye, and then you did not see him come back. I think that touches our hearts, and we must acknowledge the sacrifice of our brave hearts and hope to God that in future no such wars happen and our men remain safe. So a big round of applause to our authors for bringing this story to life, and of course our men, our brave men in the defense forces. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I loved your questions, by the way. These are very rare. Thank you.
It was a very interesting and enlightening session, and coming from a place of personal turmoil, it's not easy writing. वो कहते हैं ना कि साथी घर जाकर मत कहना, संकेतों में बता देना, हाल यदि मेरी माँ पूछे तो जलता दीप बुझा देना, हाल मेरी बहन पूछे तो सूनी कलाई दिखा देना, हाल यदि पत्नी पूछे तो मस्तक तुम झुका देना, हाल पिताजी पूछें तो हाथों को सहला देना, यदि हाथ मेरे बच्चे पूछें सर उनका सहला देना, इतने पर भी ना समझें तो सीने से उन्हें लगा लेना, हाल यदि मेरा भाई पूछे तो खाली राह दिखा देना, इतने पर भी ना समझें तो सैनिक धर्म बता देना. I invite Indu Singh Negi ji to please come on the dais and present a memento to our panelists.